Maushami Singh is joining us from the Supreme Court with more on this. Maushami, get us up to speed with the latest updates from the Supreme Court. We are here right now that the bench is watching the video, the comment that Pawan Khera made to ascertain whether it was a mistake or whether it was intentional.
Absolutely, this matter has spiraled into a big political controversy, from the airport to the Dwarika court, and now the Congress knocking the door of the Supreme Court. Clearly, you can see that here Singhvi is arguing that you need to protect him by consolidating the FIRs. The Congress believes and has sent out a message that whatever the law is, the Congress will cooperate with it, and that's the reason that Pawan Khera, gave in to the arrest as far as, the transit remand is concerned. But right now, in the Supreme Court, the bench is watching the video. Remember, it was in a press conference at the AICC headquarters. We were present right there when Pawan Khera made that remark, and he then tried to correct it, and Jairam Ramesh, all the top leaders of the Congress were present right there. And so Pawan Khera made that remark, and thereafter there was a statement that he did issue, that it was a mistake that he had said it, but it was a slip of tongue, but not an unconditional apology, and the BJP has gone hammer and tongs about it. And now the big news that is coming in is that Singhvi is saying that some degree of latitude, proportionality of offence has to be seen. So here the Congress is saying what is the offence, and according to the offence the action should be taken. The entire drama that's been created by the Assam police is unwarranted, and the Delhi police is unwarranted, and it is at the behest of Home Minister Amit Shah. It is saying that there is a crime, there is a matter that is in front of the Supreme Court, and the proportion of the matter needs to be seen, and then a call needs to be taken. That's the point that Abhishek Manu Singhvi is hammering on. Remember, they are not saying there is no matter. They are talking about whatever slip of tongue or whatever Pawan Khera has said, it has to be taken cognizance with the law. And the Assam police, leaving no stone unturned, gets the video out, shows the video to the bench, and says this was not a mistake. Now, Pawan Khera is the media chairperson, Akshata. The viewers need to be told he's the media chairperson of the Congress party. He makes scathing attack, frontal attack, launches frontal attack on the government. He's a master of words. He's a spinner as far as, rebutting the BJP is concerned. So that background is what the BJP, and perhaps, in fact, that background is the one that the Assam police is coming with, that this is not a mistake. It is actually mocking the Prime Minister and mocking his father. And clearly the Assam police sticking to their ground as far as this issue is concerned. The argument is going on, and the Congress party is absolutely rallying behind Pawan Khera. Earlier we saw an entire drama unfold at the runway. We saw top leaders, even as we speak.
True, and interesting developments right now coming in from the Supreme Court as well. Maushami, you were telling us about the highlights right now. Essentially, the team representing Pawan Khera, led by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, is saying we have an application for interim relief. They want the Supreme Court to intervene in this matter. It comes down right now to 2 points. On one hand, you have Congress, led by Abhishek Manu Singhvi in the Supreme Court, saying that Pawan Khera admitted he made a mistake on the very same day that he made the comment calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Narendra Gautam Das Modi. The Congress is saying he admitted he made a mistake. It was a slip of tongue. But the Assam government lawyer, who is also in the court right now, has said it's not a mistake. He was intentionally making such a comment. So what we've seen very dramatically in the Supreme Court is the video, that particular comment made by Pawan Khera in the Congress press conference days ago, actually being played out in the court. So the bench that is currently presiding over this case can decide for themselves whether it was intentional or whether the comment was made by mistake. So that particularly is what this all hinges on right now. Now, in fact, at this point, more updates that are coming in. The bench has told the ASG we can consolidate, they can move the jurisdictional court for quashing, which we won't entertain. Now, the ASG has gone on, who's representing, in fact, the Assam government, saying, and again highlighting, see how Pawan Khera spoke, the manner in which he said it. It's derogatory, it's insulting the Prime Minister, it's to incite disaffection, disloyalty. He's a duly elected Prime Minister. So the arguments right now are completely based on whether Pawan Khera made these comments about Prime Minister Modi intentionally or by mistake. Kanu Sharda is joining us with more on this. So Kanu, we're tracking right now what's playing out in the Supreme Court. The Assam government lawyer is essentially arguing, saying the case against Pawan Khera is warranted because the comment he made was very much intentional.
Yes, Akshita, the video has been played out on the tablet which was handed over by the ASG Aishwarya Bhati to the three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India, P.S. Narasimha and Justice M.R. Shah, and who have gone through the video and had said that, you know, it is very difficult for us to step into this jurisdiction right now, because what Pawan Khera's lawyer and senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi is telling the bench that they only wanted the consolidation of the FIRs and not seeking any further relief. He went on to say that Mr. Khera has already apologized on the same day, and he said that he had made a mistake. Though Mr. Singhvi has clearly, categorically told the bench that he personally doesn't like the way the things were handled, but yes, he also said that, you know, these are political statements, and this needs, if a boundary has been crossed, that is not the way how you deal with. So his basic contention is that, you know, the consolidation of all FIRs. He said, he told the court that there is a FIR which is pending in Varanasi, one is in Lucknow, one is in Assam, and one is in Delhi. So, and he told the court that Assam police had reached the airport today morning at 11 o'clock and handed him over a warrant and asked him to join the investigation.